today we are going to see refraction of light through a prism. When a ray of light passes through a prism, it bends towards the base of the prism. Now we can see in this picture diagram that this ray of light is passing or incident on a prism. It is bending towards its base because it is coming from a rarer medium to a denser medium. So it is, if we draw a normal at the point of incident here, the ray of light will bend towards the normal. Again, one more time refraction will take place here, as this ray of light will go outside the prism. So again it is going from a denser medium to a rarer medium. So if we draw a normal at the point of emergence here, again this ray of light will bend away from the normal. So in this manner we can see that the ray of light which is passing through this prism is bending towards its base. Now the angle which has been formed by the incident ray from the with the normal is called the angle of incidence, and the angle which has been formed by the refracted ray with the normal is called angle of refraction. There are two angles of refraction here, one is this and the another one is here again, and the angle which has been formed by the emergent ray with the normal at the point of emergence is called the angle of emergence. Now if we produce this emergent ray in the backward direction and the incident ray in the forward direction, so at this point of intersection the angle between these two rays is called the angle of deviation, which shows how much the incident ray has been deviated from its actual path. Now comes one question. The emergent ray of light in a glass prism is not parallel to the incident ray of light. Why? Now the emergent ray of light in a glass prism is not parallel to the incident ray of light because the opposite faces of the glass prism, these two opposite faces of the glass prism, are not parallel to each other. Actually they are inclined to each other at a certain angle which is called the angle of prism, and because of this the emergent ray is not parallel to the incident ray. Now comes dispersion of light. The splitting of white light into 7 colors on passing through a glass prism or a transparent medium is called dispersion of light. We can see that when a beam of light passes through a glass prism, it splits into its 7 component colors, and when we place a screen here we can obtain a band of 7 colors here, in which on the top it is red color and on the bottom it is violet here, and we can see the series as VIBGYOR. This is the series of the colors as we are obtaining in that band of colors, and that band of colors is called spectrum of light.